Think you can recognize these singers from their childhood photos? Let's see how many you can guess. Can you recognize this future pop prince? Shawn Mendes, Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran. It's Justin Bieber. Guess this curly-haired future superstar. Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez, Dua Lipa. That's Taylor Swift. Which star appeared on Barney and Friends? Miley Cyrus, Ariana Grande, Selena Gomez. It's Selena Gomez. Who is this before Hannah Montana fame? Miley Cyrus, Katy Perry, Shakira. That's Miley Cyrus. Which singer kept the same look since childhood? Lady Gaga, Ariana Grande, Billie Eilish. It's Ariana Grande. Who is this kid inspired by Elvis Presley? Bruno Mars, The Weeknd, Drake. That's Bruno Mars. Guess this red-haired boy with glasses. Harry Styles, Post Malone, Ed Sheeran. It's Ed Sheeran. Which singer is known for this famous smile? Shakira, Rihanna, Beyonce. That's Shakira. Who had this serious expression since childhood? Adele, Billie Eilish, Halsey. It's Billie Eilish. Which church choir girl became a pop icon? Cardi B, Lana Del Rey, Katy Perry. That's Katy Perry. Who is this future rap star from Degrassi days? Drake, Eminem, Snoop Dogg. It's Drake. Guess this girl from her Barbados childhood. Shakira, Rihanna, Dua Lipa. That's Rihanna. Who is this before Destiny's Child fame? Beyonce, Cardi B, Lady Gaga. It's Beyonce. Which future star loved playing piano? Lady Gaga, Taylor Swift, Adele. That's Lady Gaga. Guess this handsome singer in high school. Harry Styles, Bruno Mars, Shawn Mendes. It's Shawn Mendes. Who is this sweet girl before chart success? Dua Lipa, Selena Gomez, Ariana Grande. That's Dua Lipa. Which future One Direction member is this? Ed Sheeran, Harry Styles, Travis Scott. It's Harry Styles. Can you recognize her famous eyes and smile? Adele, SIA, Madonna. That's Adele. Who is this before his signature hairstyle? Post Malone, The Weeknd, Drake. It's The Weeknd. Which rapper is this before face tattoos? Eminem, Travis Scott, Post Malone? That's Post Malone. Guess this young Marshall Mathers, Snoop Dogg, Eminem, Drake. It's Eminem. Which singer later became known for hiding her face? SIA. Lady Gaga, Billie Eilish. That's SIA. Who is this legendary singer from Zanzibar? Elvis Presley, Bruno Mars, Freddie Mercury. It's Freddie Mercury. Can you recognize this future queen of pop? Madonna, Katy Perry, Taylor Swift. That's Madonna. Which rap legend is hiding in this school photo? Travis Scott, Snoop Dogg, Eminem. It's Snoop Dogg. Who grew up to become the king of rock? Freddie Mercury, Bruno Mars, Elvis Presley. That's Elvis Presley. Which star's childhood photo became a meme? Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, Rihanna. It's Cardi B. Who changed the most over the years? Halsey, Dua Lipa, Selena Gomez. That's Halsey. Which future rapper is in this yearbook photo? Post Malone, Travis Scott, Drake. It's Travis Scott. Guess this singer before her stage name makeover? Lana Del Rey, Madonna, SIA. That's Lana Del Rey. Game over. Did you survive the expert mode? Want a free shout out in the next video? Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Comment your final score and country name below.